Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Makita buy one get one free power tool deal. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy tools like this, make more tool review videos. Just the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Yeah, I don't know if this was up before or during the holidays or not. I can't remember exactly. I believe not like this, at least, that you could buy your batteries and your free tool, choose them separately, at least online. So what you do is you go to homedepot.com, Makita battery, you search up Makita battery, this should come up. So you go down here to where it says let's see here, I think it's this one. Yeah. So you go down here, you can choose any of these tools. So pretty much a 5 amp hour battery, 18 volt cordless reciprocating saw. I believe this is not brushless. You got an 18 volt LXT variable speed multi-tool. You got a cordless inflator. You got a brushless angle grinder, which is one of the better tools to get. And then you got a cordless jigsaw, which is a nice jigsaw. This is the cordless blower. You got the cordless 6.5 circular saw, the brushless compact router, which is one of the better tools to get, and the cordless 5-inch random orbit sander. So you can choose any of those when you purchase a battery kit, basically a $179 battery kit. So you pretty much get two 4 amp hour batteries, a charger, a rapid charger, and a bag. What you do is you go down here to the 7 items, and then you can choose any of these tools, which I would definitely choose the most expensive, get the most money out of your bang for your buck. So I would definitely go with the 159 router. This is the most expensive that they have currently. So you go add both to cart. And as you guys did see here, it went down from 159 to 84.20, and then the battery deal went down from 179 to 94.80. So that's definitely a good smoking deal on both of these. If you want to just get one and return the other, it's completely up to you, however you want to do it. It does total to $370 because I have other stuff. I made the other video, but yeah, that's pretty much the price there. I'll show you guys what the cart is. And if you guys didn't check out my DeWalt video, I do have a DeWalt video. Go to my channel 2head147. I do have that video in there, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove that. So the big green letters, it tells you the deal is up, so that's, you qualify for the deal. So here you go, 84.20, 94.80. So total of $338 subtotal, minus the 159 savings, it goes down to 179. So that's pretty much what you're going to be paying for both of these. Definitely check them out. They are worth it. If you're on the Makita line, if you want to get a couple of these kits, you know, get a couple of these tools. If you like a certain tool that that you don't have from your platform, feel free to do that. And be sure to check out my other videos, my Milwaukee DeWalt videos. I'll see if I can link them up here. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys in the next one.